Hello traders, this is Chris from AAAFx taking a look at the dollar yen. You can see that we did bounce a bit from the lows during the trading session on Tuesday, but as we creep into the Wednesday session, it looks like we're going to hang around 145. This makes perfect sense to me, mainly due to the fact that we have a significant interest rate decision on the session here on Wednesday. So I think you'll have to watch this little area to see whether or not it holds. The 200-day EMA, I think, is probably what you're going to pay attention to the most. 145 has been sliced through a few times, although it could cause a little bit of psychological support. If we can take out the highs from the candlestick on Monday, that would be a very bullish sign, but I don't know that I would be overly convinced until we got through the Powell presser after the interest rate decision and the statement. That being said, next week we have to worry about the Bank of Japan. A lot of people out there are thinking that they may try to normalize rates. I don't know about that. I think they can only do so much. When you look at the longer term chart, this is a zoomed out daily chart, you can see that we slammed against this trend line. So it kind of gives you an idea of where we're at in all of this. It's still bullish at this point, but really I think we need to hear from both central banks before we get clarity. In the short term, I would anticipate a little bit of support below the 200-day EMA. If we take out the bottom of this wipeout candlestick from last week, look out below, we're probably dropping to 140, followed very quickly by 138. On the other hand, I think more likely than not, choppiness. There's probably a lot of buyers in this little area. So I don't know that we break down drastically unless Powell completely blinks, which is possible.